Hello friends, today's recipe is one of Mumbai's famous street food, that is Anda Paratha. So soft and smooth, wow. So friends, let's see how it is done and let's get started. I've taken 1 cup of maida, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Now add water, half cup, and mix this. I'm adding some more water, 1/4 cup again. Stir well. See that no lumps are formed, so keep stirring. Oil 1.5 tablespoon. Mix it well. I'm adding 1 egg to it. Mix it well. So friends, this batter is ready. The consistency should be like this. Okay. If by chance you added more water, you can add little maida and make the consistency right. So I've kept a pan on the flame, adding little oil. Brush it well. One full ladle of batter. Let's slowly flip it on the other side. Wow. So friends, if you like this egg paratha, please press the like icon below the video, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Now friends, flip it the other side. Wow. Press it. Do try this recipe and let me know in my comment box. Brush a little bit of oil on the paratha. So friends, paratha is almost done. Paratha is ready to serve.